Motor testing. Welcome to the Electricity Form Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex North American electrical safety codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course explores predictive and preventive testing methods for electric motors. Students study insulation resistance, winding resistance, surge comparison testing, motor circuit analysis, and infrared thermography to identify and address potential failures before they occur. What you'll learn. Students will learn the principles of motor testing and diagnostics, insulation resistance and winding resistance testing, surge comparison testing methods, motor circuit analysis, infrared thermography for predictive maintenance, and troubleshooting motor faults and failures. This course involves lecture-based instruction and group discussions. Students examine real-world case studies of motor failures, learn proven diagnostic techniques, and develop strategies for predictive and preventive maintenance programs. Who should attend? This course is designed for electricians, plant engineers, reliability specialists, motor repair specialists, and industrial facility maintenance teams. This course comes with a motor testing training certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, and comprehensive course materials. Enroll in motor testing training to improve reliability, reduce downtime, and extend motor lifespan.